Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you watch all night, watch all night, watch all night, watch all night, watch all night.
Whiskey 6, Romeo India, Papa con CQ, Summits on the air.
November Romeo, 0 Romeo.
Is that a November Romeo? Come back.
0 Romeo, NR, 0 R.
November Romeo, 0 Romeo, you are a 333333, over.
Again, over.
33333333, over.
Roger. You are 48 into Kansas City, Missouri. Kansas City, Missouri. Kansas City, Missouri. Kansas City, Missouri. Kansas City, Missouri.
Okay, Roger, Kansas City, Missouri, 484848. Copy that, Roger, good contact. Thank you for it.
100 milliwatts. 100 milliwatts. 100 milliwatts.
Wow.
100 milliwatts. 100 milliwatts. 100 milliwatts. Over.
Roger, 100 milliwatts. Great job, good contact. That's awesome.
Stay safe and warm. Stay safe and warm. Stay safe and warm. And take a photo. NR0R72.
For sure. There'll be a video on YouTube. Roger. Fading away. Very cool.
Alpha Charlie 1 Zulu.
Alpha Charlie 1 Zulu. Okay, I got an Alpha Charlie 1 Zulu. You're a 5757, over.
Alpha Charlie 1 Zulu. Alpha Charlie 1 Zulu. My report again, you're about a 3x3 in New Hampshire. 3-3 New Hampshire from Alpha Charlie 1 Zulu.
Copy the 3-3. You are a 55555555, over.
QSL 55, thanks for the soda contact, 73.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the contact, 73. W6RIP, Summits on the air.
Whiskey 0 Mike, November Alpha.
Whiskey 0 Mike, November Alpha. Whiskey 0 Mike, November Alpha. Good to hear you. You're a 5757, over.
QSL, you're about a 5-5 right now on peaks. 5-5 on peaks, QSL.
Roger, the 5-5. Thank you for that contact, 7-3.
73, thanks. What is the reference?
Whiskey 6, Charlie Tango 067.
QSL, thank you.
Whiskey 6, Romeo India, Papa con CQ, Summits on the air, Table Mountain.
Whiskey 0, Echo Romeo India.
Whiskey 0, Echo Romeo India. Good talking to you. Thanks for calling me up. You're a 5757, Martha.
Okay, thank you for the 5-7, and you actually run about a 5 and 6 into Kansas right now. So thank you very much. It's 73.
Roger, the 5-6 in Kansas. Thank you so much. 7-3. So good. We've activated the peak. Got our 11 points. This is an easy peak today. I'm bringing her out, and I got out to Vincent Gulch right at the bottom of Baden Powell, and the gate was closed. So I just hung out there, flew the drone a little bit to see some footage, and I didn't want to go. I was planning to go past the gate. I was planning to go to like Mount Islip or Lewis, Throop Peak, but definitely not Baden Powell, going up that north face. I'm not going to do that with her. It's like an ice sheet going up that side right now. So just came over here to Table Mountain. This is probably the easiest one out here to get 11 points on. And it's just, you park down there in the parking lot at the, there's a little snow lodge kind of thing. And you just hike up the road. And there's some repeaters right there, so I'm away from them. And a couple years ago, I set up, before I kind of knew what was going on, it's one of my first activations, and I set up right over there by the repeater, and the noise was insane. I was like an S9 in noise, but now I'm over here and just hanging out. So already activated the peak. I'm going to hang around and listen for some more calls, and maybe start looking for some summits to summits.
All night.